Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from
What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? Alex here from Hot Pose with another video for you guys. And we are back with, well, Little Red. Little Red, you guys know her. Recently, I ain't gonna lie, I've been a little mad at her. But thank God, because I think we got everything situated. And Aaron actually was helpful enough, and very, very great person. But he was very helpful enough to help me out and diagnose the problem with the acne. Well, I picked up a few parts from him, and while I was on the plane and I bought the really expensive Wi-Fi, well, I ordered some other parts as well. And we got all those installed on Little Red. All's fine and dandy, but the problem is she's still kind of having the same issue. Now, I've been driving her back and forth to work just to make sure everything's been good, because I have a few long drives planned in my mind to take her. When I say long, you gotta remember this thing is not very fast, so you know, anything past 40 miles is really a long drive for this thing, because it takes hours to get there. Thank God, with changing the fuel pump, changing the plugs, also did some air valve, something on the carburetor, and some other little solenoids. Couldn't tell you the exact name, but with that being changed, it has made the performance better. I've actually got a lot more power out of it overall. We got a new fuel pump, new fuel lines, the new little valves, new plugs. I'm actually still waiting on distributor and wires. Other than that, I mean, she's running. But the problem is she randomly shuts down. Randomly, I mean, like literally I'll be driving and this thing just plop, 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 plop. Just kind of just goes into a coast, won't turn back on. Let it sit for about 4 or 5 minutes, then it kicks right back on and I'm good, if I'm lucky. I've got stranded once now where I had to actually get towed, but other than that, it's been good. So I've been 4 or 5 days now, daily driving it to and from work, and she's been good. But, I don't know, it might be time to look for a new car. I got a good buddy of mine on his way over here right now, and well, let's see what happens. Look how sexy this thing is, man. Ooh, dude, this thing, one of my dream cars has always been an RA. I loved RAs since they came out. The body and shape of this thing, it was so sleek. I loved it. Now I like a lot of other cars too, but this RA itself and the color combo, like, man, I love it. And got the X-Comp on there, PFS tire stickers. Look at these freaking wheels. That is ridiculous right here. He drove this thing all the way up from San Diego. This guy, he's all over the freaking place in this car. I just saw him, I think, I don't even know, he was just in Compton. He's always doing a whole bunch of cruises. I saw him and I actually met Skinny in Temecula. So this guy is putting some miles on this freaking RA. Thing is absolutely sick. Woo, guys, this thing is absolutely amazing. This thing is sick, guys. This thing is absolutely sick. So the real reason Skinny's here, he didn't want to tell his audience, but he's gonna trade for the RA.
Oh yeah, yeah, for sure. All the 31 horsepower.
38. Come on, man. Come on. Don't. That 7's a lot.
My bad. It's
7's a lot. It's a lot.
I got 70-something miles an hour.
75.
This thing is nuts, though. I have never seen anything close to this in my life. This is crazy.
It's different. I'm glad you like it, man. Because I mean,
dude,
you come from a world of cars where, I mean,
like, out of
crazy
all the
cars,
hypercars and all that, this would keep my attention every single day. It's nuts.
It makes me feel good, man. See,
serious.
I told you guys, for all you guys that were commenting that I was stupid, I still might be stupid, but I got a cool truck.
Reverse. Y'all stupid.
But I'll show you guys his RA. His RA is, that thing's sick. And it's for sale too. So
y'all want it.
We'll see. We'll see. My wife's gonna kill me. Another card to the collection. I'm sorry, babe. It's R8 though.
It's yours.
Hey, I have to buy it. She wants her car first, so I have to get hers and then we'll get one.
Well, that could be hers too.
To shoot, tear that thing up, man. Dude, I don't know. She's like a magnet for like nails, and she drives to the canyon. She does like almost 100 miles a day, and she has gone through probably at least 10 tires, like at least 10 tires, probably last year.
If you buy it, I'll give you 3 sets of tires.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
X-Comp.
Yeah, that's true.
Take care, man. You have a good one. We'll see you.
All right.
are back. The 2024 Long Beach Legacy Tour from the Lowrider, brought to you by Monster Energy. We are back. We made it back home. And let me tell you, that show was nuts. I didn't even get to film and vlog style it just because of how crazy it was the whole time. But we do have a video going to be dropping for you guys shortly. Might be little snippets, reels, and stuff like that. Actually hired out a videographer. She's going to be killing it on the video, so I'm very excited for that. But the aftermath, carts, pallets, 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 pallets. Now we got to put all this stuff away. This is the part that people don't see, the loading, the unloading. I try to show you guys the behind the scenes of it, to show you the amount of work it takes to actually for us to get to a show. Not only for us to go and take 2 trucks, 2 trailers, vehicles, our whole team, support vehicles. It's a mission and it's a lot of work, but we are so glad we do it. It was fun. It was amazing. The concert itself was freaking ridiculous, and well, it did good. It did really good. But the bad part is we fly out in 3 days to San Antonio. It's bad because we're tired, but it's good because we get to see you guys. For reals, we'll see you guys in San Antonio in a few days. We'll be flying out in a couple, Thursday morning, Thursday AM, we are gonna be flying out. Hopefully by that time, this video is already live for you guys. But you guys just saw Skinny from Skinny's World, Chris, he was just here. We shot a whole bunch of stuff on that. Make sure you guys just go check out his channel. We just shot the Acme truck, Little Red, and well, she's still giving me problems. And well, I don't know, I've really been debating on just motor swapping this thing and just calling it a day, and let's put in like 400 or 500 horsepower into this little truck that weighs nothing. But I'll think about that later when there's time, which there's no such thing as time in this world. Here with us at the shop, you guys can see we got a chassis right there where my thumb's at. Well, that one's been taking all of our time. Between that one, the 58 chassis, and George's chassis, I have not even been filming or doing anything because honestly I am tired, but I love it. It's pushing us. How's Long Beach show?
It was good, busy, fun, had a good time.
I like turtles. See Mike with me at San Antonio. We'll be flying out in a couple days. Now let's go check in on Vic. Let's go see him. Oh, hold on, he's leaving. He's leaving. There he is. He doesn't want to talk to you guys. I told you guys, not just me. He says that he doesn't love you guys. I don't know.
I didn't say that. You're the one saying it. I would never say that.
How was Long Beach?
Good. Slow in the beginning. And then it picked up.
It was slow for Vic because he wasn't doing anything. For us, we were busy. I don't know what he was talking about, what show he was going to. But for us, it was freaking slammed. Now, on the very beginning of the show, it was a little bit slow. It took a while for everyone to get in because the line was so long outside. But once everyone got in and everything started flowing, it was crazy. And I feel like I owe it to you guys since it's been a minute since I've vlogged anything. I'm gonna catch you guys up on what we've been machining, what we've been building, what is going on here in the machine shop, and well, here we go. I've been pumping away at whammy tanks. Lincoln spoons, fully machined. Before they're bent, but fully machined. More whammy tanks, more air tanks. Some new blocks that you guys saw us release not too long ago and almost sold out at the show. Got some custom logo and badging going on right now. Some more custom logo and badging going on in there. A new item that we have not shown yet, but it is almost done. This is the first batch of them. We're gonna be testing these on these. We've already tested the item before. We've actually made this item before, but we're just reworking it to where, well, just so it's a little more modular, I should say. We got our super seals coming off of the machine right now as well. That's being cut in here. Super seals. We got more cylinder bushings, more cylinder shafts. And over here we have our all billet USA made 59 to 64 Impala wishbone. This was the first of its kind out there. There's tons of still ones. Now there's been a few other companies that obviously try to jump on the bandwagon, but well, this is a full solid billet, machined, looking beautiful. I'm excited to show you guys this, and there's another new product that's coming out as well. Do that one because we kind of put some teasers out a while back. Oh, my first sample was here somewhere. Oh, here it is. I found it. We're moving things around because of the show. It's sitting right there. We're going to be bringing back the all steel versions for you guys. It's going to be at a better price point. All US made, all laser cut, all CNC press brake, press fit together. And wow, this thing is solid. That's going to be coming out shortly. I know a lot of you guys are hounding us for other products and stuff like that, but we're working our hardest to get all this stuff out. There's a lot of time and effort that goes into this stuff. So let me show you guys some more. Show you everything, but sneak peek. Tell nobody I showed you that. Don't tell anybody I showed you that. That never existed. Instead of arms, we actually got 2 sets of these that we got to build up. This is for that chassis that's sitting right there. These are fully cupped, 3/16 lower section, internal gussets. We still got to build out the outers. Still got to get rid of this ball joint, reinforce the ball joint. Still got to do the outside back plate, weld this in, and then plate and gusset all this section here. A lot. Cylinders are being ready to be welded. I'm gonna get this guy turned on in a second here. Almost done with these. For those of you guys that don't know, we were working a really crazy deal to offer you guys a Curry rear end. We're working on getting that finalized. Here's our first 3 sample pieces that we just got back. We did display them out at the Long Beach show. So for those of you guys that came to the show, you guys are able to see these in person, what we had to offer with Curry. And well, these are gonna be coming soon. You guys are looking for a really, really well-built rear end, US made, none of that cheap stuff, no more of the janky Toyota stuff. We got you guys covered. They'll be available soon. They're gonna be able to be purchased directly through our website. It'll be a click and buy item. Right now the guys are still getting the rest of the trailer all taken care of. They're having deliveries show up right now. Oh, I need me a Monster.